These are the required points to express in your ad. Feel free to paraphrase and speak from your own experience. If you haven't heard about Anchor, it's the easiest way to make a podcast. Let me explain. It's free. There's creation tools that allow you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Anchor will distribute your podcast for you. So, it can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcast, and many more. You can make money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. It's everything you need to make a podcast in one place. And please make sure, this point, download the free Anchor app or go to anchor.fm to get started. Do you know the spelling of anchor.fm? ANCHOR.FM. Thank you for your listening. See you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Gon of Back to Live podcast version, and this time I record this episode while working. So I'm working, so maybe you may hear the noises from my workplace and my work. And when recording this episode, I'm working at home, so which is why maybe the noises you can hear the noises you can hear are from the environment around my house. So first of all, this time I'd like to talk about how to use porn videos, and as the title shows, porn. If you create porn videos, you should use porn videos as baits for collecting or gathering viewers, which means, as you know, this country has many porn actors and porn actresses, and some of them use porn videos for as baits, which means, this is illegal, but so I can't recommend you doing this, but some porn actresses do prostitutions. Some porn actresses are prostitutes, and they gather or they collect clients by using Pornhub, not Pornhub, porn videos. What they use is porn videos, and so if you become a porn actress in this country, and if you grow famous, for example, this is a hypothetical situation. So you can use porn videos for the baits to collect and gather other viewers, and those viewers become the clients of your prostitution, which means, so what's the difference between ordinary prostitutes and prostitutes with porn videos is that the difference is that, prostitutes with porn videos have porn videos, which means, the prostitutes with porn videos can spread their works or their sexual techniques by in the shapes or in the types of porn videos. So, those potential clients can understand how skilled or how proficient the porn actresses are in sexual intercourse. So, some rich people can pay money for the sexual service those porn actresses can give those clients, which is how, prostitutions are built up, or or the business scheme as prostitutes are built up for, because those porn actresses can also do prostitutions, and in most cases, if you are not famous as porn actresses, so nobody knows who you are, which means, if you try to collect some clients of your prostitution business, it's difficult because nobody knows knows who you are. So so the payment you can get from the clients aren't that much because you aren't famous. So and you aren't famous and you I'm sorry, but it's tough to say, but you aren't, maybe you don't look arousing, which is why the clients may not pay money for the sexual service you can give those clients. So if you are really skilled and if you are really proficient in sexual intercourse and you are confident on your own service, that is fine. And if that is true, I think that is fine. Your techniques are really earnable, and your techniques can earn a lot of money, can generate a lot of wealth. However, when it comes to getting clients, in a case of a porn actress in this country, the porn actress could get clients from Hong Kong, which is different country from Japan. So by publishing porn videos, by spreading porn videos, that porn actress could get clients from other countries. Like in which manner, Japan itself is really huge, and getting clients from overseas, it's not so easy in the case of my country. So considering which, if you create porn videos, I think it's possible to collect or gather clients in a worldwide scale, or or you can, if you become a famous porn actress, or if you become a famous porn actor, you can collect or you can green so many clients all over the world, because you can, your name or who you are is known to other people all over the world. So by using porn videos, you can do such a thing. So in this case, porn videos are kind of advertisement. So you should, and porn video streaming, and if you do Pornhub, or if you create porn movies in X videos, you can understand that the payment you can get, or the benefit you can get from X videos and Pornhub are not that much. The benefits from Pornhub and X videos aren't that high, aren't they? Which is why, if you'd like to make your own income, if you'd like to make your own income surge, or if you'd like to increase your own income dramatically, I think, and if the local regulation of you live in allows or permits prostitutions, I think prostitution become an option for surging, or for making the income, or for example, so I'm sorry, let me change my explanation. So prostitution becomes an option. So because if you create porn videos, and if you create porn videos, you can advertise. For example, if you create porn videos in which you are cast and play sexual intercourses, you can spread yourself by spreading your own porn videos. And if you'd like to make your income surge, or if you'd like to increase your own income, prostitution becomes an option. But there's a condition that the condition is the local regulation, or the regulation or law of the country you live in has to permit prostitution. Some country permits or some country discriminalize prostitution, which is why you have to check the regulation, and you have to investigate whether the law or the regulation of the country you live in, or the regulation or the law of the region you live in allow or permit prostitution or not, which is what you have to confirm. So, for example, in Australia, I thought the name of the province, but there's a province which allows or which discriminates prostitution. This is about Australia, but there may be some other places allowing or permitting prostitution. So you should check out such a thing. So this is all. So what I'd like to tell you is that you should use porn videos as baits for collecting viewers, and if you'd like to increase your own income, prostitution becomes an option if the local regulation permits prostitution. I remember that I remember the name of the province, and the name of the province of Australia is New South Wales, and the law or the regulations of New South Wales permit or decriminalize prostitutions, which is why so which means if you live in New South Wales, prostitution is possible, which is why you can create porn videos, and you can spread yourself, and of course to spread yourself, you have to become a porn actress of the porn videos you create by yourself, and by which you can spread your names and your identity or your appearance, your beautiful looks or appearances, so that you can let other people living in other countries know yourself. So you can get which is how you can get some clients from other countries, and so you can get clients from other countries, and New South Wales permits prostitution, which is why you can get a lot of money in exchange for sexual service you give those clients. So which is how you can make a lot of so you can make a lot of money by prostitutions, and to advertise your own service, you can use the porn videos you create. Of course, to know whether the regulation or law of New South Wales permits or decriminalize prostitution, please check out the local regulation, which means there's a regulation or law allowing or permitting prostitutions, and I paste the link of the regulation on the description column of this episode. So please check whether the prostitutions are allowed in New South Wales by yourself. Which means please check whether the law of New South Wales allows or permits or decriminalizes the prostitutions or not. That's it. Thank you very much for your listening. See you.